Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Ways of the Crypto. This video today is the second part in a series I'm putting together for an introduction to Animal Farm for newbies. If you haven't seen the first video, the link will be in the description. This video continues on from that one. What we did in that video was create our first stake in the Dogs BUSD farm. We generated the LP tokens, we staked it here, we are now earning pig tokens. We took those pig tokens, went to the pig pen, staked them into the pig pen. That earns us BUSD. We have completed part of the cycle. I have a picture, which let me just bring it up a little. What we did is this part right here. We took some dog tokens and some BUSD, and we're generating the pigs. Now the pigs are generating the BUSD. That's great, but we have not completed the loop. So this video will show you this part, which I think is crucial. We want to take some BUSD, pair it up with a stable coin, and start generating dog tokens. Now the dog tokens can be used to be thrown back into the farm we created in the first one, or even into the single coin pools. Either way, you will be earning pig tokens and completing the cycle. I do recommend just choosing one of these. I'm going to show you my thought process on it, and we can get that started. So over here in the farms, they currently have 4 stablecoin pair farms here. I happen to choose this one. I choose one of these just the way it's set up right now. It's 6x, it's got high APR. That's up to you. I chose this one. To start farming these, it's similar to what we did in the previous video, but it's a little different because it's basically all done through PancakeSwap. We don't have the liquidity ability as over here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that. So USDC, BUSD, that's what we're going for. We go to PancakeSwap.finance. First thing we need to do, get some USDC coin. So there's my BUSD and USDC. There we go. You may need to enable this if you haven't done this before. So like before, I want to make a $50 investment. So I'm going to go ahead and buy $25 worth of USDC, because then I'm going to have the $25 of BUSD to get my liquidity pool tokens. So you go ahead and you swap and confirm, pay your miners. Now wait for the transaction to happen. I do this, and I've said it before, sometimes it fails for whatever reason. So this went through. I now have 24.91 USDC stable coins in my wallet. So the next thing we need to do, which is different from the farm we did last time, we need to add liquidity, basically get our LP tokens. We have to do that through through PancakeSwap. So I'm going to come over here, go to liquidity. I want to add liquidity. You pick your pair here. I'm going to go BUSD and USDC. There we go. I have my 24.9 here. I'm going to max that out. This is how much BUSD I'm going to put in. Total of a little under 50 bucks like I intended. And I'm going to hit supply. Shows you your share of the pool and everything. Confirm supply. And pay your fees. So this will go through, and I believe it's similar to the Animal Farm one. So that transaction's done. Yeah, so it updates you down here and tells you what you got. That gave me 23.82 LP tokens. And there's my share of the pool. So I have LP tokens in my wallet now. I'm going to come over here, and you will have to maybe enable contract if you haven't done this yet, and then stake LP. Same process. I'm going to add more. So I'm going to come here and hit the plus there. And mine's not showing up, and that seems to happen sometimes. If you do a refresh, it usually fixes it. Sometimes you just may need to wait longer. So there it is, 23.8. I currently have 68.58, so I'm going to go ahead and hit max and confirm. Now this is the 0.01 BNB, so keep that in mind. That is why I do recommend just picking one of these stablecoin farm pairs and sticking with it. You don't want to double up your fees because now you have two farms. Just go ahead and pick one and stake it, harvest it. Alright, there we go. So this should go up. What was that? That was at 68, right? Yeah. So yeah, this will go up. It'll go up by the 20 whatever. Just hasn't done it yet. Sometimes it takes a bit. You've done it now. We have staked stablecoin in a farm. I'm going to go ahead and refresh just to... Oh, there it goes. Alright, there we go. So, now we're earning dogs tokens. We can take those dog tokens and, like I said, as part of the loop over here, which now we completed, so we have two paths going on here. And this may take a little bit to build up to where you want. But we will be generating BUSD from our pig pen. We can go ahead and every once in a while we're going to want to take some of that BUSD and combine it with some of the dogs that we got from over here. You could buy more dogs, you could put more BUSD. It's really going to be up to you at that point. And if you let it sit for a while, you're going to have, you know, like if you waited a week, you're going to have a decent little amount to work with. It really, that whole part's going to depend on you and how much you actually invested. So you've completed the cycle. You may even want to go ahead and I might do this in the next video, stake some into the actual dogs single pool. That's good as well. Right now I've completed the first couple steps. I've got my farm producing pigs and I've got my stable coin producing these dogs, which in turn helps me put back into my farm to produce more pigs. So this is basically it. I mean, for the most part, you've got everything. Now it's just a matter of going through it and seeing what's what and how fast you can gain. It's relatively slow, and it's going to be slow at first. That's the way it is. This is more of a long-term investment. That's what I'm going for. I'm planning for a year down the road. So we'll see what happens. I'll bring out more videos as I can. If you are confused about something or want to see a different topic related to this in any form or whatever, just leave comments and I'll see what I can do. So if this was helpful, please like and subscribe if you haven't. And as always, I appreciate you watching and you have a good one.